Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Although I don't have that much followers, so I can say that, but look at the jhumkas. I love jhumkas. So this is going to be a मिंत्रा कुर्ता हॉल, क्योंकि मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा कुर्ताज नहीं है. whenever I need to go to a relative's house और ऑफिस की एथनिक पार्टी हो, I don't have generally anything to wear, so I have started building a wardrobe of ethnic. So बहुत ज़्यादा बिना बताए, let me start. So the first kurta set is this black kurta set. It's from Myntra. This is so pretty. उसकी neck इतनी सुंदर है, मतलब I'll clip it here. This one's so pretty. It has this neck detailing. I love this. It is around, I'll attach all the links, and it's around 1600. This one's like, it's one of the favorite kurta set that I have ordered. It's very pretty this, and it comes with the black palazzo pants. मटेरियल्स मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा जनरली पता नहीं होता, वहाँ पे जो रिटर्न है वो मैं देख के बता देती हूँ. बाकी इट्स वेरी a comfortable material. It's mix of cotton and something. It's very comfortable. नीचे जो, I don't know if you know or not, but I am from Rajasthan, and there is something with the bandhani bandhej print, those check boxes. I love that it's a Rajasthani print, and I love that whenever I see a kurta of that have my heart. So I have ordered a kind of cord set, very very comfortable fabric, and it's very pretty as well. Let me show you this one. Like, it has a very beautiful bandwali neck. I don't know what it's called. The sleeves, like the sleeves have this detailing. It's very pretty, like a kurta. It's a short kurti, and it has all these diamond kind of buttons all over the kurti, and it's the same very nice material. It's of cotton and might be something mixed, but it's very pretty. It has these straight leg pants. Let me show you. These pants again in the same print, and it looks so good. And okay, what's next? The next is, मुझे ढूंढना पड़ेगा. सब इतना गंदा कर दिया है, मेरी मम्मा मारेगी मेरे को, इनको समेटने में मौत आ जाएगी मेरी. राजस्थानी हो क्या? लगती नहीं हो. अब लग रही हूँ. These are the reels on Instagram. राजस्थानी हो क्या? लगती नहीं हो. फिर वो कुछ तो आती है राजस्थानी पोशाक पहन के. This beautiful pink kurti. It's a sleeveless kurti, and it is so pretty. It has these like छोटा prints which, मतलब दूर से देखो ऐसा लगता है कि it's embroidered, right? मतलब इसका तो मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, इसका कलर इतना सुंदर है. Also it has these lace on the kurta के नीचे, like what do we call it, on both side. back में भी है, and this is a very good print. It was around 1700. yeah, MRP तो बहुत ज़्यादा होती है इनकी, 3990 पता नहीं लिखा, but I got it for 1700 I guess. yeah, so this one's very pretty. It has come with a dupatta. I like dupatta also, although I can't carry a dupatta. मुझसे होता ही नहीं है, otherwise I have to pin it up, or I can't. But yeah, it has come with this beautiful dupatta with this golden lace. मेरा मन करता है मैं ऐसे ही बैठी हूँ. आगे का वीडियो मैं ऐसे ही शूट करूँगी. जी ससुर जी. ऑल्दो इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम थी कि मुझे ये थोड़ा मेरे फिटिंग से थोड़ा सही नहीं लगा, क्योंकि इसका जो साइज़ मैंने ऑर्डर किया था दैट इज़ M, और आधे कुर्ता सेट्स मैंने S किए थे और आधे M किए थे. मोस्ट ऑफ देम फिट्स मी. S वाले भी वेरी वेल, बट दिस वन इज़ इन एम ऑल्सो. थोड़ा सा मेरे को बेली से थोड़ा टाइट लग रहा था, सो आई थॉट टू साइज इट अप. लेकिन मैंने ये सब 1 महीने पहले ऑर्डर किए थे और अब तक इनका रिटर्न, एक्सचेंज सब चला गया है. सो आई डोंट नो, इधर आई लूज सम वेट और इट विल गो टू माई सिस्टर्स. 1-2 बार तो मैं फिर भी पहन ही लूँगी. द नेक्स्ट पीस इज़ सो प्रिटी. मतलब मैं हमेशा से ना उन लोगों को वो दिखती थी सुंदर सा एक्ट्रेसेस को वाइट कुर्ता सेट पहना हुआ. मुझे लगता था कि कैसे पहन लेते हैं, लाइक वाइट कैरी करना इज अ थिंग, यू नो. मतलब पहन कोई भी लेता है. टू लुक दैट प्रिटी इन अ वाइट कुर्ता सेट इज अ टास्क. एंड आई गॉट दैट फ्रॉम Myntra. Like, let me show you. It is so pretty. Look at this beauty. Look at the neck. The neck, can you see? Like, it has this beautiful neck, beautiful bell sleeves, and a very beautiful fabric. I don't know what is this fabric. It's of some jute का कपड़ा नहीं होता, मतलब it's a thick fabric. It feels like, I think it's a cotton or, you know, अच्छा वाला cotton or something. Very summery fabric it is. And then for the, यहाँ से शुरू हो रही है इसकी गोल्डन डिटेलिंग. दिस इज सो प्रिटी, लाइक ऑल द वे इट इज़. इतना गंदे तरीके से दिखा रही हूँ मैं. यू डू इट गाइड, आई लर्न इट विद टाइम. सो दिस इज वेरी प्रिटी. ऑल्सो दीज पैंट्स दैट कम विद इट ऑल्सो वेरी प्रिटी. देखो इनका तो बॉटम देखो. Look at this. This is so pretty. मतलब I can think of it wearing on a Holi, but इतनी अमीर नहीं हूँ guys मैं. अमीर नहीं, it's more of I can't do that to a very beautiful kurta set. मैं इसको गंदा नहीं कर सकती. Although I want to wear it on Holi and get all those clicks, but I'll wear it on some functions, you know, on a haldi or maybe somewhere else. This is pretty. So the next kurta set is, मेरे लिए जो गेम होता है ना, वो मेनली होता है either it should have a long sleeve, either it should have a new style, or it should be the classic, something like that, you know. There should be something for the kurta set. So the next one is a short kurti and palazzo, but with a full sleeve. So it also has a very beautiful neck. ये तो पजामा है. This kurti, is it ulta? It's ulta. Let me rearrange it. Can you see the neck? Can you see the neck? This is very pretty neck, but more prettier is the sleeves. It has these, मतलब best part is these are elastic sleeves, you know. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो चुभ रही हो, ऐसे फंस रही हो. It is a very full sleeve, यहाँ तक आता है. तो this is also very pretty. The color is pretty, the print is pretty, the fabric is okay-ish. So for this the price was around 1500, so it is of 1500. And these are the palazzos that has come with it. Ta-da. The same print, also very pretty. So yeah, and as you can see, the last one is what I'm wearing. It's the kurta that you can go to your kurta set that you can go to your office wear daily. You know, it's so comfortable. I'm wearing it and I can wear it the whole day. It's that pretty and very comfortable. Also, it's the cheapest of among all. It's of around 700. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Hope you like it. Also, sorry, I'll attach all the videos here as well. So this is it for the video. I hope you like it. If you like my video, डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड प्लीज़ डू लाइक इट. बेचारी मेहनत कर रही है, थोड़ा सपोर्ट कर दो. आई लव झुमकास. ओके, बाय.